Udkhot kaliang persya Zenit Sangma, hakakat santrik uluber ulawan rak deka privilege motion persya yau Menteri Rangba Kejela, Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Daga bakam bo Menteri Rangba ulai lambak lai ke yang dorbar haka jingit asas kular ka Power Purchase Agreement. Bat ka National Thermal Power Corporation Limited NTPC haka senam arajar nyo. Zenit Sangma ulong bo Menteri Rangba ulai tu ak yang dorbar bagi sorkar ka bansiaw katway klur tengka ke NTPC man lau benai. Badak sisnem kalong sispa lai pulai klur tengka. Badak ki arpsan snem kan kot syaka lai hajar lai spa arpsan klur tengka. Zenit Sangma ulong bahag jinga soy soskular kam syamdan ki kendon bagi sorkar kan hak bansiaw pisah bat kumta kejengkeren Menteri Rangba kailam baklai ki yang dorbar. Na kaliang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi sorkar jela ka bansiaw katway point not pra klur tengka syaka NTPC. Bat omla ban kentat neburi walada amsyem na thiet ke boarding. Ulitu bahadu mata ke sorkar keladap siaw sispa klur tengka. Neri kepisah badangsa ke bahab bansiaw kalong san spa lai puway klur tengka. Lampang yang dorbar tawan uba amet baleng do ulat terwah ke yang dorbar ban ay karai laki kersyan ne persya ya ka privilege motion. Bat gidkhot jong ke yang kila kentat kene ke motion balawan rak du Zenit Sangma namar bakam don nongrim.
Going into agreement after agreement, sir.
We have discussed enough
It
on this.
is long issue, sir.
I have heard from.
It is long issue.
I have heard from you.
Sir,
as
let me just
The
ask
House
the
has
honourable
heard from
member
you.
that can you deny that we have to pay 11.8 crores today? Can you deny it? You can't. Can you deny? I have got the bill with me right here. We are paying 11.8 crores per month. Can you deny it? Can you deny that this will go on for next 25 years? Can you deny it? Can you deny it? Can you deny the fact that there are fixed charges? Can you deny it? You can't deny it, sir. These are facts. We are paying right now and we will continue to pay for the 25 years. This is my point, sir. Now we go into agreement after agreement, sir. We can call all the legal experts and bring it in.
Agreements, sir. And
We have
this
discussed enough.
11 crore
may I know it
regulatory
now?
they are paying is because you are not drawing the power.
Please take.
Because you fail to draw the power.
Please take a seat. Those who are for the motion say aye. Those who are against say no. The noes have it. The noes have it. And the motion on the question of breach of privilege raised by Zenit M. Sangma is rejected by the House.